bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Please choose a seat for me.
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the supermarket. Let's go!
Let's buy some new stationery and a
Welcome! Choose a shopping cart. Next, let's go buy what we need together. School bag. Pants. Top. Quilt. Pillow.
Put the items here.
Put the money into the coin slot.
I've bought everything I need. Thank you. I've bought everything I need. Let's get on the bus. Hello, baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the photo studio. Let's go! Stop at a red light, go at a green light.
Let's go take a photo.
Welcome!
Could you take a picture of me, please?
Okay, what kind of photos do you want? Photo for kindergarten admission. Portrait photo. Portrait photo. All right, let's go change clothes first.
There's lots of pretty clothes. Which one should I wear? Tap the camera to take a picture.
What a nice picture.
Thanks. I want to wear a nice outfit for my photo shoot. Please help me pick one. Tap the camera to take a picture of me.
That's a nice shot.
Thanks. I've taken the photo. Let's go.
baby bus.
Hello, please get on the bus.
Where should I sit?
Fasten your seatbelt.
Thanks.
The next stop is the hospital. Let's go! I'm running low on gas. Please fill up my fuel tank.
Car. Fill up the car.
Baby bus, go!
Let's go get a physical checkup.
Check the weight and height. Lulu weighs 21 kilograms.
Lulu's height, 98 centimeters.
Check your eyesight. See which way the E goes. Slide now. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try again. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. Not this direction. Try again. Yeah, that's the right direction. All correct. You have very good eyesight.
Thanks.
Check the listening. Listen to the sound and guess the animal.
Duck.
Cow.
Puppy.
Thanks.